Okay, so depending on what category of the emails he's going to choose, you can able to allow the users. Okay, imagine that I'm using the incident management all the time, so any emails from this is going to be enough for me. And in this specific as well, change survey is not a part of it. I don't want to do it. Okay, so you can able to manipulate the notifications according to the needs. Okay, and if you want to understand how exactly the emails is going to send, you can able to edit it. So what kind of notifications you want to send? You want to send the emails, you want to send the messages, or you want to go out for calls as well. Okay, so this is the name of the specific notifications or channel, and what type is going to be email or instant message or SMS. Okay, the moment you're going to select SMS, who is the service provider and what is the number? So imagine that I've been using AT&T or Verizon or T-Mobile or any kind of things. So I'm going to type. Okay, so instead of notification as an email, I'll be getting the SMS. Okay, so you can able to configure the notifications from here. Okay, and this is the developer section. We are going to talk about it once I start the development. Any questions, guys?
I have a question on the first option when you click on the wheel sign, journal.
Okay.
So here, for time and go, date time field. For instance, if you have your own table, I'm not talking about an incident that you were talking about, but if you have any date field, like for instance, employee date of birth. So in that case, if I'm selecting this option, time and go, does it show the total age, in number, like this guy is 45 years old or 65
No,
years old, that type of
no,
things?
no. This is available for the system fields. So imagine that the created data field or the specific record, the updated record, the updated time, and each and everything which is available in the system. So if you see, if I'm going on the incidents all, this is the system fields, not the fields you have created for ServiceNow. So a couple of fields which are automatically going to be created for ServiceNow. Created, opened by, all the specific fields. This will be work only for those specific fields, not for all of the fields.
Oh, okay, I see.
Okay.
Irfan, can we configure the service providers? For example, say if you want to configure for India, can we add Airtel?
Yep, we can do that.
How do we do it?
So you have to get a confirmation from a team, and then you have to activate a specific account over there, and then you can add the specific service provider.
Right. Okay. So is it same for voice as well? Like when you select
Yep,
voice, you
it's
just
going to be
provide the.
it is going to provide service. If you're going to create a new channel, and then you are going to specify voice, and then you have to provide the voice number.
So can we configure the service provider here, or like so? Will there be any default service provider?
You can able
How
to
do,
use any. There's no restrictions in the voice.
so
What is
basically,
a
we will call, like right when we say voice.
I'm sorry.
Basically, we will get a call like when we use voice, similar
Yes.
to SMS, we will get a voice call, so audio call.
IVR. There will be an IVR which you need to configure. That's a different section again.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. Is it
so
called?
yeah, I have a question about this voice option that Jay actually was talking about. So whenever you selecting voice, so the user can call on that number, right? They can call on the number. They can leave the message or something like that, voicemail or
No,
something. Okay.
no. Whenever a notification is been triggered, imagine that an incident is been triggered. So the user will get a notification, an email to be specific, saying that yeah, the new account, a new incident has been created and has been assigned to you. Okay, so that is an email. And if you're setting the SMS, and you will be getting an SMS or a message saying that, hey, your incident has been assigned to you, or incident has been created which is under your group, or something like that. And if you are been activating a voice, okay, a voice will be sent, meaning that you will be getting a call, and then over the call you will be getting an IVR saying that, hi Fan, so an incident has been assigned to you and in your group, and this is the incident number. How exactly you are going to configure will be sent.
Okay.
I'm actually Iqbal on this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
One
about it.
more question, Irfan.
Please, Jay.
Yeah. Yeah. Can we configure for say major incident alerts, like when there is a major incident and we want to notify through SMS? Is it possible to configure here?
Yep, that's how, that's well, and that's the only, that's the most of the time we are going to use it for that specific moment. Okay, imagine that a major incident, first priority one incident has been created, and you want to uh, like send the notification to few individuals who are the managers or the leads of the week. You need to configure that, and we are going to learn that on the notifications section. Or if we have a specific class of notification, we are going to learn about there.
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah. So the other thing is around the delegate, right? If a user is not available, say if they are on a vacation, and if they have delegated, like we still.
Yes, so there is a delegate option is available over the specific user account, and that part we are to understand in the use. Okay,
All right. Okay. Yeah.
sure. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. So let's connect again tomorrow, and we are going to continue. Okay,
All right. Thanks, Irfan.
Thank you. Thank
thank
you.
you.
Yeah. See you tomorrow. Yeah.